Guys, welcome back again, happy new year. This is a tutorial about how to use these new features of these new computers, how to use the LED button. You know, now the PC cases don't have reset button anymore because it's useless, and they develop a LED button. While pressing this LED you can turn on and turn off the features, the RGB lights into the fans, into your video card and into your main board if you have LEDs on main board. Now this is a feature that you will find it on some motherboards. Well, the Auro Z319 doesn't have this feature, but I have the Z690, which is a very good main board. So basically you will not use anymore the contact that you will find it on the case. You will not put it on the main connector. You will put it a little bit upper. Start your PC and go into the BIOS. Press delete button and go directly into the BIOS because you have to make a setting here. And into the settings you have the third tab, and here it's what you want to look. By default you have set this button as a hardware reset and put the settings, set this button to switch LED on off. Guys, I got to tell you, the Gigabyte Z690, 590 will work. I don't know 490 if will work, and pay attention for the 660, 560 series because I don't think those models will have, but the best way to know this, look into the brochure, into the PDF of the provider. Another thing, it will not work. I have an Asus video card. It will not turn on and turn off into this unit, the video card. You have to use only Gigabyte. And there are other manufacturers. I think MCI makes also this feature with the button. Here into the front I have 3 fans, but I didn't connect them, the RGB, directly to the main board. It's connected by the remote control. I don't use these lights. If you want to use, you have here the reset button that I put it, and you can see when I press the reset button, it will turn on and turn off the LED lights on the mainboard. This mainboard has small LED lights, it's like nothing. If I put this mainboard on the other PC, gaming PC, I have the fans, the RGB fans that are connected to the mainboard. It looked okay. And for those of you who have projector, I think this function is good because into the night, and not necessarily if you have a projector, there are a lot of users that don't want to be disturbed by lights into the night. So let me show you here. We have the battery, right, and we have that connector for the mainboard. Well, you will not use that connector. You will use, if you can see, I want to show you exactly there into the right of the battery, near to that button. You don't want to use the normal connections, that long connector. So that's it. You will put just the reset button where it says RST. Now when you connect the front and all your fans to the main board will turn on and turn off the fans just with a click of the button of the PC case. Hope it helps, guys, and hope you will have an utility. I don't have an utility now for this button. Thank you for watching. See you. Have a great day. Bye.